Hello, welcome. Now, as of the recording of this session, this practice that we're about to undertake can be uneven. It doesn't happen the same way all of the time, but there may be a direction that OpenAI is going with ChatGPT, and that is to ask for your output within a specific document. For example, if we were to go in and we were to write a prompt, and we're going to go ahead and click enter. For this particular case, we're going to use the advanced reasoning model, although what we're about to undertake can be undertaken with the most recent default model. What we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to click submit. We're then going to allow ChatGPT to give us the answer. Once we have the answer, we're going to ask for this to be output in a specific format. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask for ChatGPT to output this information first in a Word document. Now, once again, this process can be uneven. It doesn't happen the same way all the time, and in all cases, it doesn't necessarily fully happen. We're first going to ask for this information to be output as a Word document, and we're going to allow ChatGPT to go through this process. And what you'll notice is that ChatGPT will give you the Word document. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to open up this document, and we're going to make sure that the information that we have from the post is actually within the document. And we see our information within the document. Now, we did just output the document as a Word document. We can always take that document and print or save it as a PDF. But what we first want to do is we want to ask for ChatGPT to output the same information as a PDF file. So we're going to write in this prompt. And once we do that, we're going to click enter. We're going to allow the reasoning model to think through the process. And we're going to determine what the reasoning model is going to deliver us when we ask for this to be output as a PDF document. And we do have a PDF document. So we're going to go ahead and click open. And we're going to open up the document. Now, the document is open. However, it does have some of the citations in it, and it isn't necessarily a readable document. In this particular case, we probably have a better looking document and a workable document with Microsoft Word. So as stated, this process is not necessarily all that even, and it may take time for OpenAI to make it so that you really do get a real document when you request it. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.